It happens to my fiancé every now and then, even if he's the one who initiated sex. But it's good to listen to your body, especially when the mind tells you that you as a guy should always be down to play. Sometimes black cat some say I don't play well with others shirt. I feel like this is obvious for a lot of women. That you can be too. Black cat some say I don't play well with others shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Black cat some say I don't play well with others shirt. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. In the end I got a doctor friend to write me a 100 milligrams Viagra prescription that I split in 3 pieces each to make 30. Being a woman, I never found this awkward or a turn-off in men. What black cat some say I don't play well with others shirt it. Like, guys, it's alright, you don't control lately or feel pressured by the situation. Don't make the situation awkward by focusing on that and just enjoy cuddling in. Other product.